Good morning, everyone, and welcome back again. I'm Miss Dari, and this is Science Equals Fun. Are you ready to start? Let's go. Uh, In the previous video, we've classified animals according to multiple things, or actually according to two things. The first one was, I think, the supporting, presence of supporting, and the second one was for the arthropods for the number of legs. Now we will classify or we will learn the classification of mammals according to the presence of teeth. At first, we have teethless mammals. This means mammals with no teeth. Okay, they are called edentates. And we have mammals that have teeth. So one with no teeth and the other with teeth. Let's start. Teethless mammals. Teethless mammals like the sloth. The sloth has no teeth. The sloth moves slowly. Okay, and the last example for teethless mammals like armadillos. Okay, armadillo. Armadillo is the second example for teethless mammals. So we have sloth and armadillo. Armadillo and sloth are two examples for teethless mammals. This means that these two animals don't have any teeth. Okay, sloth and armadillo. Sloth and armadillo. Both of them don't have any teeth. And we have mammals having teeth. Let's start by the hedgehog. Hedgehog. Hedgehog is a kind of animals that have, or a kind of mammals to be specific, that have teeth. So, the first example for a mammal that have teeth is the hedgehog. The hedgehog has two front or well, I'm not in need to know the number. It have front teeth, only front teeth. We are not in need to know the number of teeth. It has front teeth. Okay, these front teeth extending outward. Okay, what is the use of these teeth for capture insects? So the hedgehog depend on the insects for feeding. Okay, so it depends on insects for feeding. How does it capture the insects? By using its extending teeth. So it has extending teeth. Okay, okay. So the first mammal that have a teeth, which is hedgehog. It has front teeth that he use for the capture of insects. Capture insects. So hedgehog depend on insects or eat insects. Depend on insects for feeding as well. Okay, mammals that have teeth. When you think about animals that have teeth, the first thing that will come into your head is a tiger or fox or dog or lion. They have two canines and molars. Okay. Animals like tiger, fox, dog, and lion, they have pointed canines and molars with sharp projections. And if you think about this, the tiger is a predator. Fox, lion, dog, all of them are predators. So they need their sharp canines and molars and projections. Why? So they can easily hunt their prey. So again, mammals that have teeth, like what? Like tiger, fox, dog, and lion. They have sharp or they have pointed canines, sharp and sharp what? Molars and projections. So they have canines, pointed canines. What's meant by pointed? Okay, pointed, this means when you look at a tiger or at a cat, the cat is one of them. When you look at the cat, you observe that the canines are very clear to you. The canines here. These are the canines here. The canines and the molars. Okay, so it has pointed canines and molars. Okay. And then we have the animals with teeth. We have two types. The rodent here, like this one, rodent. The rodent mean it has one pair of teeth in each jaw. So it has one pair of teeth in each jaw. So it has upper one and lower one. In upper jaw and in lower jaw, it has one pair of teeth in each one. So it has here upper jaw and lower jaw. It has here one pair of teeth and here one pair of teeth. And when we say one pair, we mean two teeth, two tooth. I'm sorry, two tooth. So one pair of teeth, one pair of teeth. Okay. Okay, this kind is called rodent. Rodent like what? Like a squirrel and gerbil. Gerbil is also a rodent. Okay, so it has one pair of teeth. The other type, which is lagomorphous. Lagomorphous is a kind of animal or a kind of mammal, to be more specific. As a lagomorphous is a kind of animal that has two pairs of teeth in upper jaw and one pair of teeth in lower jaw. So what is the difference between a rodent and lagomorphs? The rodent has one pair of teeth in upper and lower jaw. Upper jaw it has one pair of teeth, and in lower jaw it has one pair of teeth. While here in the lagomorphs, it has this upper jaw and this one is the lower jaw. The upper one in the upper jaw it has two pair of teeth, while in the lower jaw it has only one pair of teeth. Okay, so it's a difference between a rodent and lagomorphs. Okay, so again, we have classified mammals according to their teeth. Okay, what's meant by species? A species, it's a group of more similar living organisms. So it's a group of more similar living organisms in shape that can reproduce to give birth. What's meant by reproduce to give birth? So what does this mean? A male rabbit with a female rabbit, they will give us a baby rabbit, and etc. So it's a group of more similar living organisms in shape that can reproduce to give birth of new fertile individuals that are able to reproduce and keep the existence of the species. This means we have male and female of any living organism of the same kind. They can reproduce to give birth and give us new individuals that can reproduce to give us another one. And the species is the classification unit. Okay, so what is the classification unit? Species. So again, species is a group of more similar living organisms in shape that can reproduce to give birth of new fertile individuals that are able to reproduce. So the new individuals are able to reproduce and keep the existence of the species. So as we said, when a male rabbit, we can say, and female rabbit, when they mate, they give us a little baby rabbit. Okay, can a cat mate with a rabbit? No, they must be of the same species. Male cat with a female cat, male rabbit with a female rabbit, and etc. Okay. While here we have the male donkey with a female horse. It will give us what? it will give us straw mule. This straw mule was meant mule. It's this creature is called mule. Right. Okay, mule. This mule is a straw. Why we call it straw? Because straw means that it can't reproduce. So this means it can't mate with another animal. Okay, so why the individuals that become as a result or exist as a result from mating of a donkey and the horse is true because they are of different kind of different species. The donkey the species and the horse is another species. So when they mate, they give us mule, straw mule, and the straw mean it can't reproduce, mean it can form or it can't have little babies. So more straw mule it can't reproduce. So when a donkey mate with a horse, they give us a straw mule, and the straw mule can reproduce. Okay, this is for today's lesson. If you have any inquiries, comment below and tell me. And thank you for watching.